Hello! In this video, I would like to tell you something about the Tian-Shan Mountains, which I like the most of all. By the way, translated as Tian-Shan, it means heavenly mountains. The Tian-Shan is mainly extended across Kyrgyzstan and China, and also a little bit of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan. These mountains are located about 1,500 kilometers north of the Himalayas. Due to its more northern location, it has a harsher climate. It is not surrounded by jungle like the Himalayas to the south, and at first glance is very snowy and icy. Its glaciers are among the largest outside the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The Tian-Shan has only two peaks over altitude of 7,000 meters and only 6 peaks above 6,000 meters. But does that bother you when you look at these photos? Look at these beautiful 3 meetings of glaciers. Or to this meeting of 2 glaciers. Or at Khan-Tengri Peak. And now, I would like to propose my Tian-Shan Top-10 among its natural beauties. Based on my subjective impressions, I assigned number 1 to the Inilchek Glacier, number 2 to the Khan-Tengri Peak, number 3 to the Mount Pobeda, number 4 to the Merzbacher Lake, number 5 to the beautiful Karakol Valley, number 6 to the ala-kul Lake, number 7 to the area around the city of Naran, number 8 to the ala-archa area near Bishkek, number 9 to the Marble Wall, and finally number 10 to the area around Mount Kyrgyzstan. Let's start from number 10. It is the area around Mount Kyrgyzstan. This area is located in Kyrgyzstan to the south from well-known Lake Engylchek. It is also a border area with China, so you will need a border permit. It can also be found under the name Kokshal Tau, or the area of the Pikdankova. This area is unique for its parallel arrangement of glaciers. The number of these parallel glaciers is about 20. They begin in romantic green meadows and stretch to 5,000-meter peaks. Number 9. The Marble Wall is located in the central Tian-Shan, in today's Kazakhstan. It is a massive marble cliff from white and yellow marble, which requires almost 1 kilometer of vertical climbing, and then you can continue to the top of the Marble Wall Mountain, which is above 6,000 meters. Number 8. Ala-Archa and Adigain Lakes. The area is very accessible from the capital of Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek, formerly Frunze. It is a beautiful walk just a few kilometers south of Bishkek. Here, you can see lakes and mountain hut in the right side in the picture. Look at some more interesting photos. Number 7. Beautiful and romantic area around city of Naran. The landscape around Naran looks like it's on another planet. Isn't it? Number 6. Ala-kul Lake is relatively difficult to reach from the Karakol Valley, or from the valley parallel to the Karakol Valley, the Altyn Arashan Valley. A beautiful crossing between the two valleys can be made via ala-kul Lake. Enjoy its turquoise water. Number 5. The Karakol Valley is about 30 kilometers long, a beautiful valley where horses graze on green meadows, next to a small river. At the end, it is dammed by the 5,000 meters peaks, Karakol Peak and Dzigit Peak. Enjoy and relax while looking at these photos. Number 4. Merzbacher Lake is a disappearing lake that can disappear within a few hours. It is located at the meeting of the North and South Inilchek glaciers. The lake was named after the German explorer Gottfried Merzbacher, who led an expedition to the central Tian-Shan in 1903. An ice dam prevents the lake from draining for most of the year. However, when the ice dam begins to melt and break up in the summer due to the sun, the lake is almost empty within a few hours. In this case, the lake's outflow is enormous, creating numerous fountains lower in the glacier and sudden dangerous floods downstream. The lake goes through this cycle every year. This is what the lake looks like when it's full. And this is what it looks like after it suddenly disappears. Number 3. Mount Pobeda is a very dangerous 7,000er, which has a higher death rate than many 8,000-meter peaks. It is usually climbed by a 4-kilometer-long and sharp ridge at an altitude of over 7,000 meters. In this zone, even an acclimatized person can survive without serious health problems, maybe about 15 hours. The mountain is also famous for its very strong winds, which in summer are caused by the fact that the mountain is a natural boundary between the dry and hot air from the Taklamakan Desert and the cold air from the Tian-Shan mountain ridge. Here you can see the entire view to the Mount Pobeda from the north. To the right of the peak is the very sharp ridge, about 4 kilometers long, that extends to Mount Vaja. This picture shows climbers below Vaja Peak. From the top of Vaja, they try to continue to the top of Mount Pobeda along a sharp ridge. Now enjoy a few more pictures of Mount Pobeda. Number 2. Khan-tengri is perhaps the symbol of Tian-Shan, although it is lower than Mount Pobeda. It is a beautiful 7,000 meters pyramid. Climbers climb it from both the north and the south sides. Here is the detail of the summit from west side. On the south side, there is a feared place called the bottleneck, and is known for its avalanches. Overall, it is considered easier than Pic Pobeda. And finally, number 1. The Inilchek Glacier, which is also called the South Inilchek Glacier, is located in the central Tian-Shan. It is the most famous glacier of Tian-Shan and flows around all the interesting places. Here is the meeting of the Inilchek and the Vlasticka glaciers. The Inilchek Glacier is on the left side. And on this place, you can also see Khan-Tengri Base Camp. In the bottom left of the picture, those yellow dots are the camp tents. The Khan-Tengri Base Camp can be reached by helicopter from the city of Karakol, or on foot from the lowlands by a multi-day trek. It is approximately 70 kilometers long. The glacier is full of beautiful lakes with turquoise water, but also life-threatening ice cracks. And here is a view to the Inilchek Glacier towards the west, as it slowly descends far into the valley.